Hello everyone, today we want to solve for s in this beautiful quadratic equation. S squared plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. The given equation is s squared plus 6s minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. By quadratic formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to the coefficient of x here, which is 6, and c is the constant here, which is minus 8. S is equal to minus bracket 6 plus or minus square root of c square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 8. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to negative 6 plus or minus square root of c square 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 8, that is plus 32, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus 32, that is 68, divided by 2. Then let's see, 68, we have 6, 8, 2 in 6, 3, 2 in 8, 4, 2, 3 in 34, that is 17. Here is 17, 1. So this is 2 square multiplied by 17. Therefore, 68 is equal to 4 multiplied by 17. And let's see, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 68 can be written as 4 multiplied by 17 divided by 2. S is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 17 divided by 2. S is equal to minus 6 over 2 plus or minus 2 root 17 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 17. Therefore, S1 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 17 or S2 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 17. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check and see. To check, we have the given equation x squared plus 6s minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, if x is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 17, this is minus 3 plus square root of 17 square plus 6 bracket minus 3 plus square root of 17 minus 8 must be equal to 0. Here we have minus 3 plus square root of 17 multiplied by minus 3 plus square root of 17 plus 6 bracket minus 3 plus square root of 17 minus 8 must be equal to 0. Minus 3 times minus 3, this is 9. Minus 3 times root 17, this is minus 3 root 17. Root 17 multiplied by minus 3, this is minus 3 root 17. Then root 17 multiplied by root 17, this is root 17 square plus 6 multiplied by minus 3 minus 18. Then 6 multiplied by root 17, that is plus 6 root 17 minus 8 must be equal to 0. Now here we have 9 minus 3 root 17 minus 3 root 17, this is minus 6 root 17 plus this cancel this, we have 17 minus 18 plus 6 root 17 minus 8 must be equal to 0. This cancel this. 9 plus 17 minus 18 minus 8 must be equal to 0. Let's see now. 9 plus 17, that is 26. 26 minus 18 minus 8, that is minus 26, must be equal to 0. And of course, 26 minus 26, this is 0, is equal to 0, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.